Hello, it is a question related to K-map. We have to simplify the given Boolean function. So given Boolean function is function w comma x comma y comma z is equal to sigma 0 1 2 4 5 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9 comma 12 comma 13 comma 14. So for simplification, we have to draw the four variable k map because there are four variable w, x, y, and z. So first we will draw four variable k map. This is four variable k map. These are variables w and x, or here are variable y and z. So there will be four rows and four column. So let us draw. It will be wx, so it will be 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, and for yz it will be 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. And let us rename the each cell. So here it will be m0 m0 m1 m2 m3 m4 m5 m6 m7, here m8 m9 m10 m11, here it is m12 m13 m14 m15. Now corresponding to each cell, let us fill. So it is here for each cell we will fill 1. So for 0 it is 0, here we will fill 1 0 0 1 2 4. So 0 1 2 and 4, here we have fill 1, and 5 6 8 9. So 5 6 8 9 and 12 13 and 14, 12 13 and 14. So now we are seeing that these 8 ones, adjacent one may be termed as octet. So these 8 ones, we are grouping these 8 ones, and these two m2 m6 and m0 m4, m2 m6 and m0 m4 may be combined to form a chord. Similarly m4 similarly m6 m14 and m4 and m12 may be combined to form another chord. Let us rename this octet as 1, and this chord as 2, and this chord as 3. So clearly for the octet, for the octet 1, clearly for the octet 1, the variable clearly for the octet 1, the variable w and x are both changing from 0 to 1. So these w and x may be cancelled, and z changes from 0 to 1, and 0 to 1 it will be cancelled. Only y is constant. So here for octet value will be y bar, because w and x both variable are changes from 0 to 1, you know, and z changes from 0 to 1. Only y bar is remaining. The value of octet will be y bar. And for quad, now quad corresponding to that we have named 2. So here for quad 2, the variable w bar is constant and x is changes from 0 to 1. X is changes from 0 to 1. W bar is constant, so w bar, it will be w bar, and by it changes from 0 to 1, and z bar is constant, so by will be ignored and z bar is, we will write z bar. And for quad third, because w is changes from 0 to 1, x is constant, so here we will write x, and by is changes from 0 to 1 and z bar is constant. Now combining all threes to given K-map may be written as f w comma x comma y comma z octet corresponding to 1. It may be written as y bar. Quad corresponding second quad may be written as w bar, z bar, and third quad may be written as x z bar. The given boolean function may be represented as y bar or y bar or w bar z bar or x z bar. This is the required answer. Thank you.